what did you guys build today?
What we have right here are two gaming PCs for PCBros.tech. This one right here you can actually buy, and it features a Ryzen 7 5700X 8-core 16-thread, GTX 1660 Ti, a Gigabyte B550M motherboard, a 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD from Solidigm, an Ollie 16GB kit of DDR4 memory at 3200 MHz, a Zolman 600-watt power supply, this really nice ID cooling tower cooler, and it's inside the PVR Prodigy, which is going to be discounted because it has a little bit of a scratch issue, which is not really that bad, but you can save money on it with a scratch and dent special. You can buy it for $850 at PCBros.tech.
It's a pretty good deal. Now, this right here is one of our staple PCs, and a big shout out to Tyree for buying this from us. This is our Upgrade Path Starter, which is just a 10105, but we have actually been upgrading them for free without even telling the customers to a 12100, and of course an H610 motherboard to go with it. But this one has 16 gigs. They opted for the white version, which costs just a little bit more, but you get white RAM and a white PVR Prodigy. It is full RGB with over 100 modes, which is very fun to get through. But yeah, this is another awesome build. That's one of our staples, and hopefully the idea with these is you throw a graphics card in once you're ready to really start gaming.
But yeah, if you guys want to buy this PC today, you can go to PCBros.tech, and for the month of December, use code SANTA5 to save 5% on your purchase of a computer.